Hello! Today we're taking a quick look at how to get started with fmFlare by LumenFire. When you first purchase fmFlare, you'll receive a zip file containing two FileMaker files. One is the actual fmFlare file, and the other is the examples file, filled with useful examples of how to incorporate fmFlare into your custom app. It is recommended that you upload the fmFlare file and the examples file to your FileMaker server, but if your license allows, you can also run it locally, as I'm doing here. We'll open up the examples file and take a look. These files are already configured with fmFlare as an external data source using a global variable which is set by this field here on the home page. By default, as long as they're in the same location, the examples file will find fmFlare. You can start out by pasting your license key into this field and then starting a session which will automatically register fmFlare. Here we can see that our session is active and we're ready to go. The easiest way to incorporate fmFlare into your custom app is by following the examples listed here and copying the example script into your file. To find what we're looking for, we can search by tags or services, or we can look for the actual function that we're looking for. For example, let's say we're looking for Twilio. That's an SMS messaging service. So I can filter the list down, look for messaging, see which services are available. Here I'm looking at Twilio, and send SMS is the example I'm looking for. Alternately, I can also search for the function that I'm looking for if I know the name of it. Every example will also have a corresponding script. If I look in the script workspace, I can find the send Twilio SMS script. The script is laid out very similarly to the examples layout. So when you copy this into your custom app, all you have to do is replace the parameters with references to fields in your file. Here you'll see things are arranged by user interaction, like we have here, our credentials in this section, and then info about the message, the sender or from, and recipient or to number, and then the message body itself. Optionally, for this one, we have a status callback URL, and then all of these parameters are packaged up into the subscript JSON, as you can see here, and then that is packaged up into the request JSON, which includes the service, function, and subscript JSON. That is all sent to fmFlare calling the controller script with that request JSON as the parameter. We'll then receive a result back from fmFlare, and in this case, we're logging all of our results. It's recommended that you have a log file in your custom app as well, as there's a lot of useful information that can be used for troubleshooting or just keeping track of how many times you've used a particular service. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck incorporating fmFlare into your custom FileMaker app. Thanks for watching.